So hello and what's up everybody, welcome back to Screen Technicals. Today in this video we are going to create our this delete functions, and in the previous video we have created, you can see, our this incrementer and decrementer buttons, and you can see this, it is working perfectly, right? And we are also going to fix, you can see, this thing. So let's go back to the VS Code, open up the views.py, and let's say at this point I'm just creating the delete function. So def, this will be delete order, right? Okay, order accepts the request, and then if request dot post, not post, request dot method, if it is equals to post, right? And I'm also going to check that if that order underscore id, if this exists in, you can say, this request dot post, right? So okay, remove this thing. So this is actually going to help us, you can say, to get rid of that multi-dict, you can say, that multi-dict key value error, right? Whatever that is, right? Now I want to fetch order underscore id. This will be equals to request dot post, and then it's going to be order underscore id. Now let me tell you from where it is coming. Just go to the orders.html, right? And where is that delete version, right? At this point you can see we have this order underscore id, so it is coming from that this point. And let's go to the views.py, and after this I want to fetch the current user, current underscore user. This is going to be request dot user, right? And then I want to fetch all the, you can say, I want to fetch only the particular order of this current particular, you can say, of this particular user. So I'm going to write here order, right? Let's say current underscore order. This will be equals to orders dot, I'm going to use the get method, right? So um, orders dot objects, right? This is objects dot get, right? So I'm going to write here simply id, and this will be equals to order underscore id, right? So now just write here dot delete, just like that. I want to delete the current order, just like that. And then I want to return, okay, I want to return, okay, it is return, come on, return redirect to orders page, just like that, right? Save this particular thing, and just go to the us.py, and let's create that delete thing. Just change this and this to delete order, save the thing, right? And let's check the spelling again. I don't want to miss out the spelling. I hope so the spelling is correct, right? Now go to the orders.html page, and just change this has to this slash delete order, right? And everything will be same. Now let's see if it is working or not. Refresh the page, let's click on this delete option, and you can see that has been deleted, right? And if I click on this delete, it has been deleted. And once it is deleted, I don't want to show this page, right? I want to show something different at this page, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check it, right? So let's go to the orders.html. I'm going to use if statement, right, before this. So I'm going to check if orders, if this exists, then um, then only I want to show this much of thing, right? And if, you can say, if the order does not exist, then I want to show something else. So right here else, and right here an h1 tag, or let's say an h4 tag, right? And inside this I'm going to write here no orders yet, right? Okay, no orders yet, and make this OS capital, right? And then I'm going to give you can write here, please make an order first, right? Or I can write here, make um, at least, okay, at least one order. So just write here an anchor tag, right here slash menu slash, I want to just keep that order inside this, so it will be order, just like this. Save this thing, go to the browser and refresh it, and you can see there's no orders yet, please make at least one order. If I click on this, then I will be direct to my, you can say, this pizza menu, right? So click on this, and let's go to the orders page. So you can see we have two pizzas. So if I click on this, it's showing us two pizzas, right? So that's working. And also we are going to fix, you can say, in our previous video I have just forgotten to fix this, you can say, this thing. So we are going to fix that in this video. So let's do that first, right? So go to the views.py, and it is going to be very pretty much simple. Why is that menu.html? That is the menu dot, that is menu function, right? You can see this thing, just copy this much of thing, right? The entire thing, copy this thing and just paste that, you can say, after this. Okay, is decrement, where is it order at this point? So before this context, just paste that thing just like that, and select this, press shift tab, and yeah, the indentations are all right. I'm going to pass this total orders at this point. So right here, total orders, this will be total orders, give the comma, save this thing, and just let's see now it's working or not. Refresh the page and you can see this thing, it's working. So we have fixed that, right? Now also we can want to do one more thing, we can paste that at this point even. Okay, not that thing, just copy this thing, paste that at this point, and what I'm going to do is I just need the context. So context, this will be equals to total orders, and this will be total orders. Okay, total orders, and then pass the context at this point. Save that, and let's click on this, and let's see if that is working or not. Reload the page, and yeah, that's working, right? So it's working fine. Now you can say our this delete button is also working, and everything has been completed. So yeah, we have done all the things. So right now one more thing we have to solve, that is, you can say we have to you can say create this delete all button. So let's do that. Copy this thing, paste that, and make right here delete all order, all orders, just like that, right? And this will be similar to that, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to, instead of this get, I'm going to write here filter, right? And this will be simple, and then I'm not going to filter this particular, you can say, particular this particular pizza. I'm going to you can say filter out all the orders of this current user. So I'm going to filter out all the orders of that current user. So right here, user, and this is going to be equals to um, current user, right? Not current order, it is current user, just like that. Now save that thing, and everything is pretty much simple. We don't need this order ID at this point anymore, right? And then we also don't need this current user at this point. Save this thing, let's see if it's working or not. And also we have to create the URL pattern, right? So right here, just duplicate this thing, right here at this point, all orders, and then copy this thing, go to the orders.html, and where is the delete all option? You can see this is at this point. So right here slash delete all orders, and the method will be equals to post, and then write the CSRF token at this point. Save this thing, go to the browser, refresh it, and let's try to click on this, and it's going to show us this thing: delete all orders, did not return an HTTP object, it returned none state. Let's see, go to the views.py, and so it is actually giving none. So what is the reason behind that? Let's see. So let's go to the auto.html, and at this point you can see we don't have that, you can say, that is that order ID. So we are not passing that order ID at this point, so we don't need this thing, right? Press just shift tab, save this thing, and I hope so now this is going to work. Click on this continue, refresh it, click on this continue again, and yeah, that's working. Let's try to create more orders. Click on this, okay, click on this, okay, click on this, refresh the page, okay, come on, refresh the page, yeah, and I can see this thing. Click on this delete all, yeah. Now let's see, go to the menu.html page, not the page, the function, and let's see, here we are redirecting this menu, this is also menu, and that's working. We are incrementing the value, and I'm just running the menu at this point. Let's see the spellings correct. Is menu slash, yeah, so this is actually menu slash. Save this thing, and let's find out some of the print function that we are using, because we don't need the print function to be in our source code. So right here print, just okay, remove this print pizzas from this point. Let's search for more, again just remove this, let's search for more, okay, remove this true, save the thing, and we don't have more print statements right now. Let's refresh the page, click on this menu, as I'm clicking on this, and it is not updated. So what is going to be wrong with that? If I clicking on this, then this should, yeah, that's working, and now this is not working. Let's see, let's go to the menu function, and let's see where we are just creating that. Yeah, you can see this, after saving the order we are not returning anything, so we have to write here return redirect, right, to menu. Save this thing. Now let's refresh the page, okay, click on this menu, and then let's try to click on this 4 5 6, that's working, right? And you can see this thing at this point. So I want to delete this thing, I want to decrement this value to 1, increment this to 3, and that's working, right? If I click on this delete all, it's going to delete all my orders. So that is pretty much working properly and finely, right? So this much for this video guys, and I will see you next time in another video where we will be creating our, you can say, this confirm order, right? This, where is that? Let's create an order first, right? And let's see, and you can see this confirm order. So we will be creating this button in the next video. So till then, take care, thanks for watching this video guys, and I will see you next time.